Hey y'all, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new to my channel, make sure that you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell to all to be updated every time that I post. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys this fun Disney look as the Disney Princess Kida from the Atlantis movie. This is a complete DIY. I ordered parts of this costume from a bunch of different websites. So if you guys want to see how I transform into Kida, just keep watching. Starting off by simply filling in my eyebrows with my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Brow Palette. And I'm taking that dark brown powder shade to lightly fill them in. So now before I move on to the rest of my face, I'm going to put in my contacts. So Kida has blue eyes, so I had to get blue contacts. I ordered these offline on some website. They were really affordable. They're not prescription or anything like that. Hopefully the color shows over my natural dark brown eye color. I tried to wear contacts last year for Halloween and it was hell to put them in. So I hope these aren't as difficult. Pretty blue color. Okay, you guys, so these are my blue eyes for Kida's costume. Now that I've wasted a full 25 minutes putting in contacts, let's proceed with the rest of the look. So Kida is really not wearing any makeup. It looks like they drew her lashes at the top really thick. So I'm gonna do a small wing line on my lash line and lipstick because it does look like she's wearing some lipstick. And then really just focus on that tribal print that she has on her cheek. So for starters, we're gonna conceal. I'm actually gonna speed it up because I do the same steps in every single makeup video. As I said before, I'm keeping my face really naked, so for eyeshadow, I'm not using an eyeshadow. I'm just gonna set this with some Becca setting powder. So now my eyelid is one even color. Now I'm gonna line my lash line with some liquid liner. This one is a Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. Now that is really all that I'm doing with my eyes other than adding some mascara. Now for my face, I'm keeping that simple too. I'm gonna start off with some primer. Now I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the color 910. Now some concealer. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting Kida vibes already. So now I'm gonna go in with that same Becca Hydra Mist setting powder and set my face. Bronze up with my Black Radiance Bronze Glow setting powder. Now I'm going to do a little contouring with my Black Radiance Rich Mahogany setting powder. Chisel out my cheekbones a little bit more. Now I'm going to add a little bit of blush back into the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio palette. I'm going to be taking Isla, which is right now my favorite blush. For highlighter, I'm using my Laura Seller New York highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. And this one is a nice golden shade. I'm going to use some mascara, and this one is the Hank and Henry mascara. I got this in a BoxyCharm subscription, and it is fire. I'm obsessed with it because they have a tiny little wand for your bottom lashes. And this little wand at the other end. Look how cute that is. Now I'm going to be taking this hard candy. This is called the Glitterazzi eyeshadow duo. I got this from Walmart specifically for this look because I didn't want to go get face paint. But this one has the most gorgeous shade of teal. Look at that. That's a liquid shadow. So I'm going to use this to create the tribal marks on Kida's face. That's it. I'm gonna set my brows really quick. This is just some e.l.f. brow gel. Then I'm gonna set my face. For my lips, I'm going to be using this Trestique lipstick. Oh, it says it has primer inside. This is how it looks. I don't recall where I got this from, honestly. I think it was in another BoxyCharm subscription also. I swatched it, that's how it looks. So we'll see. This is pretty. So this is all that I got for my face. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got going on for this outfit. I DIY'd this whole outfit through pieces that I ordered off of Amazon. I got an anklet set, which is like an ankle bracelet from Fashion Nova, a wig from Amazon. I'm just going to show you guys everything. So these are the items that I'm using for my costume. This is a bikini top. It came in a two-piece from Amazon. I don't like the bottoms. That's a pair of spandex shorts, some swim wraps, the actual little necklace that she wears, these cute earrings and armband that I found both on Amazon, these anklets from Fashion Nova. It came in a set of 2, which was perfect. And then this is some ribbon that I'm going to use to get that red ribbon on her skirt, and also a wig from Amazon. So I'm starting off with the 2 swim wraps, taking the longer wrap and using that as the main part of Kida's skirt. I'm going to start by wrapping it around and then tying it up so that it looks like Kida's looks in the cartoon. Now I'm using the shorter wrap to make the longer part of Kida's skirt through the center. So I'm just going to fold that over a couple of times, tuck it in, and then spread it out until it looks like it does in the movie. Kida's skirt has a red stripe towards the bottom of it, so I'm going to be using some red and gold ribbon to create that. And I'm measuring out this ribbon by wrapping it around my hips and then attaching it to the skirt with some clothespins. Now for safe measures, I'm going to use another clothespin to fasten the wrap that I have hanging down the center so that it stays in place while I wear this costume. So this wig from Amazon came with hairpins and a wig cap. Okay, Amazon. Y'all know I love a good wig review, but I'm not going to be reviewing this wig. Sorry. Unless it's fire. Got this armband, some earrings from Amazon, my ankle bracelets, and this beautiful amulet. There we go. So this is all that I got for this Halloween video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to all to be notified every time that I post. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.